In this package here, I have some Sony WH-1000XM6 headphones. Now what makes these special are they were a refurbished or seconds one that I ordered directly from Sony. So what we're going to do today, we're going to have a look and see if they were worth purchasing. They were about 49% off the original retail price. $698 Australian was what they usually are here, or $487 US. I paid $359 Australian or $250 US. So we're going to check to see if these are worth that sort of money, or if they, they're not worth their savings, because they're supposed to be quality headphones. Obviously, being seconds or refurbished, they may have some sort of missing parts or some damage to them. So we're going to check it out and see if it's worth saving nearly half price on the headphones. Now, as you can see, I haven't opened this yet, so this is directly a look to see how they are and how it is. Just remove any other labels. Have a look at that later. And now we'll bring out the headphones and check it out. So there we are. They look like they've got original packaging so far. Just take off barcodes. There we go. Looks like original packaging. Packaging does look a little bit more scuffed than usual. So what we'll do is we'll open up. Got a GDB4. I'm not sure what that means, but maybe that's to do with the grade they were given. So it does say here also that they're Sony refurbished. Open up really carefully. Now, what we're going to do today is just check to see if they come with the same parts as what you'd get in an original Sony headphone box if they were new. Maybe what condition they're in, because maybe they're just a little bit scratched or scuffed, or if there's actually some major issues. But we'll see if they're actually worth the 50% saving. So I got this little package here. That seems like something that will come standard. Still comes with a case, so that's a good start. Now I do notice the case has, feels like a sticky residue. Might be just some glue left over from the process of making them potentially. I'm not sure, but so far it's not too bad. And there's the headphones. So let's open it up and see what they look like. We can see here, they don't look too bad. Reasonably good quality. No real marks on those I can see. Got the headphone cable. And here it looks like an adapter. So let me know what you think. Was this worth saving 49%? Now I'll give them a test later on just to see how they sound and what they're like. But so far, if we have a look over them very carefully, obviously I haven't looked at one of these new before, so I'll have a look online later and just see how it comes. If they come usually wrapped or if it comes just standard in the box. But oh, here we go. Here's that's just a little mark there. But that was a bit of dirt. It does seem like they still come nearly new condition. So obviously if you decide to purchase some refurbished Sony products yourself, they may come with a different issue or look a bit different, because each refurbish or seconds headphone might have a different issue which they need to work on. But so far that doesn't seem too bad, personally, I believe, for about half the amount. Just having a look at the case again. A few little marks there and there. So it's just, so far what I can see is the case just has a few marks. That mark on the front. The box once again did have a few marks on it. But so far that does seem like, I think, a good deal for 49% off. Let me know what you think. Do you think this was a good deal for half price? Or do you think it's worth spending the extra money and getting them brand new? Anyway, that's today's video. I'll give these a test out later on to see what they sound like. And thanks for watching.